By a raise of hands, how many of you out there have lost your phone, your keys, maybe your wallet between your car seat and the center console, whether you're driving or after the fact? Right here. So I decided to go online and find myself a solution. So I went to Amazon, I picked up this car seat gap organizer. It's a 2-pack, and I'm hoping that this will solve all my problems of losing my phone specifically, and sometimes my keys. I've dropped my keys in there between the car seat and the center console. I've got to bring the seat back, bring it forward, and try to get my hand in there, and it's just a pain in the butt. So I think this might be the solution, and it's interchangeable and supposed to fit just about any car. So I got this on Amazon. I'll have a link below the video. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing here and then go outside and see how it works. Let's get started. All right, so first of all, let's pull this out here. And there are 2 of them. And this ought to be super, super simple. It's got a little bit of a plastic rubbery thing, actually a rubbery thing here in the bottom. I think this is probably so things don't slide around once you have it inserted. Feels like it's a good quality, hard plastics. And let's see, if I were to take my phone, the goal here, of course, is to be able to put the phone here, upside, downside. If I have my wallet, I don't have that with me. But there we go, and that should fit between the seat and the console. And just skinny enough here that when I do put it in, doesn't matter where I put it, it should be a good fit for whatever car, whether it's a car or truck or SUV. All right, let's go outside and figure it out. So the vehicle I have today is a Toyota Land Cruiser. Now normally I would probably put my keys here in the center console, but these are cup holders, so if I have drinks, I really can't put them there. I could put it right here, but because we have a demo, let's go ahead and try them. See how easy that slides over. Put it in that direction. That might be more appropriate. Over here. This might not work as well with the parking brake. Yeah, it wouldn't work right there, but it would work on this side. So that's not in the way. Now if I put my seatbelt on, would that be in the way? No. So let's say, I think it'd be a good spot to have for the passenger side. So keys here. Now I've got some little keys. Now these are the culprits that slide between here, and that's the big problem. Something slides in here, you're screwed. So if I put it right there, that might work. Here's my cell phone. I think it'd be good over here. Now on this side, my wallet, some cash. Now for the ladies, and I borrowed this from the wife, I got some lipstick. So lipstick would be easily lost between the seat, so I put that there. I got some infant fingernail clippers, a cable, very small cable. Again, these are the kind of items that I would be concerned about losing between the seats. I think that works pretty well. These would make a great gift for the holidays. What do you think? Stocking stuffer, very affordable, like 20 bucks or so. Again, I'll put a link in the description below this video, but I like that. And interchangeable. So that fits here. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like in our Jeep Grand Cherokee. So these are supposedly interchangeable between cars. So we'll get a full-size SUV to a mid-size. That works okay. Yeah, you really need to, that's cool things that they're not reversible, but you can switch them to either side. So you don't have a lot of gap here between the center console and the seat, but these are skinny enough that I can slide it right here. Now I like this. This is a good spot for me. Yes, so phone there, and if you do have your phone plugged in like this, and here's the problem, as I was mentioning before, my phone gets slides in here, and then I'm like, oh, I gotta pull the cable, and if the cable pulls out, then the phone is lost forever. Yeah, things are pretty convenient. They're not in the way. Nice spot. So there's the seatbelt again. So putting the seatbelt on is not in the way. Pretty good. Okay, so I'm going with it. A link to the product below this video. Make a great gift for a car seat gap organizer. Big thumbs up. I'm glad I got these, and definitely a nice little investment for an accessory for your car or truck. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman Driver. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Adios.